slide over there. See what's going on. Go by our friends here on the way.
Get a little shout out.
A little shout out. We're on 7th Street, right? East 7th Street, we're headed west. And we're at Arcade. Let's just get a shout out here quick, please.
114 minutes, finding anybody out here.
For who? Justice for...
Copy.
Justice for who?
Look the caller to give you a call. Come then.
Just want to give you guys a chance. Just want to give you a chance to get your message out. Thanks.
Possibly related to call you were just out on.
Absolutely not. I'm not missing time. They had an extra long dissertation this time. I always try to keep good communication with people. You know that, right? And so to the women that were just yelling to us, that's the first time I heard them mention Justin's name. But I'm guessing they're referring to Justin Teagan.
I would think so.
And I just want you to know that I don't have all the facts in that case, but I've become friends with Tashira Garraway, and I met her before I returned back at Sheriff. And so it's good to keep the lines of communication open. And I respect everyone's right to be particular about their passionate issues. And I tend to I go through life with a theme, make friends, not enemies. And so not always gonna agree, but there's a lot of common ground out there in America. So I just want to say to the people on 7th Street there that even though you sometimes use derogatory words to refer to Pat and I, we always want to respect and give you an opportunity to express your opinion. And I always have a warm spot in my heart for Justin's life partner. And by the way, his son, who I know struggles with the loss of his father. So a loss is a loss.
Yes, indeed. And having a disagreement doesn't mean you have to be enemies.
I like to be judged by what's in our hearts.
Exactly. And Crystal, you're exactly right. They do know that we're listening, and that is how healing starts.
Yeah, by the way, I've been thinking about that today. Really what we need you to do is to tag your friends that may not love the police. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
We really want people to have a chance to reevaluate their opinions about law enforcement. And so if you have friends that aren't sure what they think, you can tag them and just tell them, hey, it's worth taking a look and seeing another side of what your perception might be. Because really we don't want this to just be people that are always pro-police.
Right.
The goal here, as I mentioned in the post, is to connect with people that aren't sure or work pro-police.
Right. We've actually had people come on and comment that when they first started watching this, they didn't care for us at all. And they've
Don't say us. I mean law enforcement.
Law enforcement. And they've had some perceptions change.
That's part of my goal here. Get to know us before you judge us.
Thank you.
I was thinking the best role that you can play is, and sometimes still can create some arguments, but some arguments are necessary. Some differences of opinion are necessary to work toward some commonality.
It's always preferable to do it without insult and name calling, which we've seen refreshingly little of tonight. Good line. Thank you, Orlando. You cannot impact what you do not engage.
I like it.
That's excellent.
Yeah, maybe that's part of the problem. People are so polarized there; they don't try to engage.
And yeah, Justin's mom, Tanya, is an amazing woman.
It's like fun that Joe's museum. That's the slides in there. I was thinking how much fun it would be in the bus. I'm trying to that one.
I would get stuck halfway down. I would get stuck halfway down.
I'm just going to slide it closer to there. Run to the appear.